I'm excited to chat about the Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy rice cooker. For the longest time, we didn't have a ton of counter space, so we were just cooking rice on a pot over the stove, but it would often boil over, leave a mess. We'd have to watch it. And when we moved and had a little bit more space, a rice cooker was on our top list. We have Rice Weekly, and when I was researching different rice cookers, the Neuro Fuzzy, Zojirushi one stuck out for a couple of different reasons. One, it has a lot of cool features. So there's a handle. So after you cook rice, if you need to bring it somewhere outside, if you're having friends over or family or whatever, it's very easy to carry. There is a nice little slot here to keep your, rice paddle. So, that makes it easy. The cord is retractable. So, that is also a nice feature. So it's not popping out and sticking out when you need it. It opens up like so. I did have a batch of rice in there that I could show, but it does a really great job with making it very easy. It comes with a specific cup, so you need to measure out your cups of dry rice, rinse it a little bit, and then you just fill up the water up to whichever water line is suggested based on the number of cups of rice that you're making and the type of rice. Right now I have jasmine rice in here, so we made 2 cups. Did 2 cups of the plastic cup that came with it, rinsed it out, and then filled the water line up to 2 cups as well. There are a couple of features here that we haven't had a chance to use quite yet, but it is nice once you pop it in. All you have to do is hit the cook reheat, and it takes about 40 minutes for us. Much better than sitting over a stove. One thing I wish I knew before getting this particular rice cooker, so it is very easy to clean, which I love. So there's 2 pieces that come out, the rice bowl and also this top portion here. So these 2 pieces come out to clean, but it gets really hot. So if you're not careful after washing your rice, the inside does get a little bit scorched. And I haven't done my due diligence to really scrub in there, but it does have some heat buildup from the water. So that's on me for not double checking and being more cautious after I wash the rice before cooking to make sure the pot is dry. But otherwise it's easy to clean. It doesn't take up too much counter space for us, so it is a regular staple. The top also just slides in like so. So if you're on the market looking for a rice cooker, the rice turns out awesome here, and depending on how heavy of a pour you have for the water, it adjusts as needed, which is awesome. But you can see it has a slim profile. It's a pretty good looking piece, and we've been super happy with it over the last year or so. So definitely recommend the Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy rice cooker.